Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm here to show you the different choices you have for printing your stickers on sticker paper. I have I don't know how many I have, at least 6 of them to show you. And this is for an inkjet printer. I don't have a laser printer, so I'm just using an inkjet printer, and I have anything from cheap shipping labels all the way to really beautiful waterproof glossy labels to show you. So I think we're going to have a lot of fun in this video, and I will share with you exactly what I'm using, how much it cost, and hopefully that will help you make the best decision for the stickers that you're going to be printing. Now I'll just be placing them on my Bible page just so you can see. I have a really pretty nice white Bible page here. This is in my NLT Personal Reflections Bible, so that you can know that in case that is something you're interested in learning about. So let me share with you each of the different stickers we have. So the first sheet I have here is cheap white shipping labels. These are 100 labels. They're $10.99. They basically comes out to 11 cents each. I cut these out on my Silhouette machine with the blade set at 2, the speed at 8, and the force at 4. And don't forget, if you haven't taken our free 10-day course, go ahead and go to BibleJournalingMinistries.com, free classes, and that's where you can get that free course. Now, for this one, this is just a cheap box of labels I bought. I think I bought 500 of them because they were so cheap. I think I got an even bigger discount than 11 cents each when I purchased these. They're very easy to print on. I know exactly where I'm supposed to print because you can see, and I believe the camera is picking this up, but there's like a little edge. So you can kind of feel where the sticker starts and you can feel where the backing starts. So it's really easy to know which side to print on. Okay, so I'm just going to pull up one of these stickers now. I did again print it on my Silhouette machine, and I will link that for you below so that you see how I actually print these out on my computer, on my inkjet printer, and then cut them out using my machine. So these cross stickers are available in our store as well. So that is just the cheapo $10.99, and I'll make sure that you guys have the link to all of these in case you're interested. The cheap white shipping labels just come in a in a cardboard box, and it's just in plastic wrap in a cardboard box, just like normal shipping labels. Now these ones are from onlinelabels.com, and this is white, number OL177WX. There's 100 labels for $17.99, which makes it about 18 cents each. Now, if you do go to onlinelabels.com, then it will be $12.95, but you have to pay for shipping, which makes it actually $17.90, which is the same price they sell it for on Amazon. The Silhouette cuttings are the same that I used in the previous example. And this one actually the online labels comes in a nice, beautiful, clear container. So you have that, and it keeps them really nice and clean. And I just love that it came like this because it just made it a lot easier for me to make sure I didn't bend them or warp them in any fashion. The problem that I have with these ones is that I didn't really know what side to print on, so I had to kind of lift it up a little bit first to know what side to print on because it's not really easy to tell. Now if you have a really good light, you'll be able to see that the back side is a little bit darker than the front side, so that is a good indication and key to knowing which way you should print. So if I place this one next to this one, you can see in terms of quality, they are almost exactly the same. So let me just show you up close. So the cheap brand on the left and the more expensive one on the right. And really from a quality perspective, like the naked eye can't really tell the difference. So this is from onlinelabels.com, and it's just a little bit more expensive than the white cheap shipping labels from Amazon. You can also purchase those on Amazon, and that's what I did. I did purchase this whole pack on Amazon. Now, I asked Online Labels to send me these next ones as samples, so you will be able to see the different kinds that they have on their website, and also you can purchase some of these on Amazon. So this next one is from onlinelabels.com, and it's a white waterproof mat, number OL177WJ. You get 100 of these labels for $59.95, and if you include shipping in that, they work out to be about 65 cents per sheet. I use the same silhouette cut settings as before. So this is the white waterproof mat, and you can tell that there is a really beautiful sheen to these. It's just a really nice. So I'm just going to pull up this sticker here, assuming cut right. I'm just going to pull it up and place it again next to the other two. And boy, you can definitely see a quality difference. So this one is much more vibrant than these other two. These two are a little bit faded next to that one. So this is a waterproof mat. And when I say waterproof, that means you're going to be able to accidentally spill something on it and you shouldn't get all kinds of a huge mess. So that is the waterproof mat, number OL177WJ. Now these again retail for about 65 cents per sheet. The next one is the clear mat. So the clear mat is from onlinelabels.com. It's number OL177CJ. You get 100 labels for $54.95. After shipping, it works out to be about 60 cents per page. And the thing about this one, again, I had such a hard time printing on this because I thought you were supposed to print on this side. So I printed on this side, and because it's the slick side, I just thought, because most of the glossies I was printing on the slick side, so I figured, you know, I would be printing on the slick side for this one, but it's not the case. So I actually ended up printing on the slick side a couple times in different settings before I realized that I was printing on the wrong side. So just so you know, if you do get these ones, the clear matte stickers that are 60 cents each, you want to print on the side that is a little more rough. So if I take off my sticker, again, for this one, you can see, now this is clear, that it does have some translucent properties to it. And that's really great, especially if you have something in the background that you want to put on, or you don't have a machine and you want to fussy cut out your stickers. You don't have to worry about edging too much. So that is the clear matte. The next one is not from onlinelabels.com, but it's kind of a comparison between the Avery White Frosted Matte and the clear matte I just showed you, the number OL177CJ. So for this I used the same silhouette cut settings. These labels currently are on Amazon for 25 labels for $16.09, which works out to be about 65 cents a piece. So a little bit more expensive than the online labels, but you don't have to buy it in a pack of 100. So if we put this one next to the online labels, you will see that the clear matte from onlinelabels.com actually is more vibrant than the Avery. So this one is the online labels clear matte, and this is the Avery frosted clear matte. So you can see, I guess I should say frosted matte versus clear matte. So you can see the difference. So I definitely think for the price of the online labels, it's actually a little bit cheaper if you can buy 100 at a time, and it actually does look nicer. The next one is white gloss. Now I get a lot of questions from people who are looking for the best white glossy look to their stickers, and you can definitely see, I mean, look how glossy that is. It's just absolutely stunning and beautiful. I love it. You get 100 of these gloss labels for $49.95. After shipping, it works out to be 55 cents each. Now, if you are going to print this out and cut it out on your silhouette machine, you will have to change the settings. The settings that I used were Blade 2, Speed 8, and Force 9. So if I pull off this one, you can definitely tell that it's much thicker than the previous ones that I've been using. the thickness of the sticker, it just feels a lot more thicker, and it feels like it's got a better quality to it, especially than the shipping ones. And oh, isn't that just gorgeous? Look at that. Look at that beautiful cross. I can now see why people just love the glossy stickers. I've always been a fan of the matte stickers, but after testing these sheets of stickers, I might have to buy some more of the white gloss labels, because those are just gorgeous, and I think they would make my Bible journaling look so much nicer. The next one is clear gloss, and so this is onlinelabels.com clear gloss, and it's number OL177CK. You get 100 labels for $59.95, which works out to be 65 cents each. Again, you want to make sure your silhouette blade settings, if you are using a silhouette, blade 2, speed 8, force 9. So these are clear gloss stickers. I'm going to place this down in my Bible so you can see that. And that's a beautiful clear gloss as well. Much nicer, I think, than the matte gloss, or the matte clear. Sorry, the matte clear, because matte and gloss are different. All right, so there's the clear gloss. The last one I have for you is the waterproof gloss. This one is 100 labels for $99.95. Makes it each of these worth $1.05 after shipping. And you're going to need to change your silhouette blades for this one as well. So this is going to be blade 2, speed 8, force 9. And you can see that the color is definitely brighter on that, but also blotchier. I think it's definitely more blotchier than the other one. Alright, so what do I think? First of all, I am a huge fan of the cheap Amazon labels. So I always recommend for someone who is budget conscious, just to purchase these ones that are just cheap shipping labels. And you get them from Amazon. They're 11 cents each. I'll make sure that you have a link below if you're interested in purchasing them. But if you are on a budget, these are the best, and I've used these forever, for years in my Bible, and I haven't had any problems. So if this is interesting to you, you might like to have these, then I will definitely link up for you below. And again, that's this one here at the front. And it looks nice. Now, I don't see much of a difference between that one and the online labels.com, this pack that I bought for $17.90. So because there isn't much of a difference that I see, then I would say if I'm trying to save money, I would just buy these white shipping labels, and I would save my money for different stickers, and I would not buy these white labels. Now, I will tell you that the paper feels nicer and feels thicker, but I'm not selling these stickers. If you are selling these stickers, then you might want to have this backing where it's a little bit thicker and it feels a little more substantial, and the additional 7 cents each probably won't hurt your profit margin too much. So if you're selling them, you might go for the onlinelabels.com, but if you're not selling them, you're using them for personal use, and I would just use the cheap white shipping labels. Now, for when it comes to the white gloss, I definitely think that I am going to be purchasing some of these in the future. At 55 cents each, I think that it's worth the price, and I think they will go a long way for me, and will definitely make my stickers look a lot nicer. So thumbs up on the white gloss. I'm definitely going to purchase those in the future. And again, this is the white gloss right here, and it's absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I love it. Now, in terms of the clear, there are quite a few clear ones that I had shared with you. I shared the Avery White Frosted Matte, which I love, but compared to the Online Labels Clear Matte, I felt like the Online Labels was cheaper and it performed better. So if you remember, with the Avery, it was a lot lighter, and it was right here, versus the Online Labels, which was a little bit more darker. So personally, I think I would go with the Online Labels Clear if you're looking for the right clear stickers for yourself. versus the Avery Frosted Matte. I've been using the Avery Frosted Matte forever, so it was nice to get a chance to try the clear matte labels from onlinelabels.com. So I will definitely be ordering my clear matte from onlinelabels.com. And as we looked at some of the glossy ones, we had the waterproof gloss, we had the clear gloss, and we had the waterproof matte. These ones, because when it comes to the waterproof, I don't really think that it's worth the extra money for Bible journaling. You can see this one, waterproof gloss number LL177CK, is a little bit more blotchy on some of my stickers. And I don't really need them to be waterproof, so why would I spend the extra money to buy them to be waterproof for my Bible? So I would say save your money, and it's no need to buy the waterproof labels if you are just doing Bible journaling or putting things in your planner or things that you're going to be putting on paper. Now, if you are creating something that you want to make sure, like a label or something that you're selling for something that you're selling, then I would actually, if you have to go with clear and you want the glossy look, you can use these, but I would think that you would probably use the clear gloss that came out a lot better and was also a little bit cheaper, but that's not waterproof. So I guess you have to decide. I guess if you're doing something for a bathroom, then you have to decide between the waterproof matte and the waterproof gloss. I just thought the waterproof matte came out nicer. So I would recommend between the two of these, the waterproof matte. But if you do want the gloss, you can definitely try it. Maybe they'll send you some samples. Just go to onlinelabels.com and ask them for some samples. And maybe you can test it out to see how it would work for you. And then of course the clear gloss came out really lovely as well. I thought that was really beautiful. So I prefer clear matte. So my clear matte labels that were 60 cents versus the clear gloss labels that were 65 cents. But you may not. So you may like the clear gloss, and you can see there that it's much shinier versus the clear matte here. So if you do like the shininess to it, then buy the clear gloss. It's just 5 cents more per sheet. I'm going to stick with the clear matte. That's what I like the best. So I hope that this video helped you see the many different choices you have when it comes to printing on sticker paper. Again, it's really a preference for what you like, and it was really fun to explore these and see how they fit and worked in my Bible. I just really thought it was fun to just print these out. So I hope that this video helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. And don't forget to take our free course. It's a free 10-day course at BibleJournalingMinistries.com/free classes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as well. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye!